cool. What's the wings foam with? Is that cardboard?
It's you know the foam students do their projects on?
Yeah.
It's like that type of foam.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's
like foam board, poster board.
Yeah, it works. It's strong and it's light.
Yeah, it's a good combo.
So it works good.
Look at those fucking remotes.
And monsters.
Where it's all at is in the remote.
My problem is I don't know what the switches do.
Oh.
No, range is, I never run out of range because you lose sight of it.
Okay.
No, they used to say if you could see it, you could fly it.
I got with my
It's supposed to be like a half mile.
with my RC car, I can drive all the way around the field over there from sitting on top of the announcer booth.
Yeah, can you?
Make sure everything's right.
Whoa.
GX6. That Spectrum radio?
Yeah.
This is the old piece of whatever came with it radio.
Hey, but you know those old piece of whatevers usually work pretty good.
Let's see if if I won't crash it.
First time flying it?
No.
Oh, good. Okay,
You
cool.
can do loops.
Awesome.
It's just taking off is where like if you crash it, you won't crash it. Takeoff's usually the hardest. So.
Especially when you're launching it yourself.
Right?
Yeah, you gotta give it a good throw.
You got it.
None of us are gonna offer to accidentally break it.
See, he's got to throw it and get his hand on the right stick. He's got it.
What a beast.
A little out of trim.
Yeah, I need to figure that out still. I'm missing the. Oh, here we go.
Nice. Fighter jet.
Oh, into the tree.
I didn't see the distance. It's hard to
It is hard to judge.
to judge the person. It flew good. I'm gonna go see if it's all good. Look at that thing.
Boy, I am rusty. Yeah. All right. It does come back pretty fast.
Yeah, look at that. Dang.
Oh man.
He's hauling.
Fighter pilot.
To do flips and fly upside down, you got to lock your throttle on at one speed, and then so you operate just your pitch. But one of these does that. Not that one.
Your plane still alive?
It is. The rubber band just came off.
Bro, you hit those power lines, we all went. Oh, look at that.
Oh shit! Oh.
There we go.
Damn! Oh!
That's too cool looking.
That's crazy.
Oh!
That's cool.
My legs are almost shaking.
Go over some nice soft grass.
Hover that.
But flies real good for a $200 helicopter.
It does.
That's just rudder, and it doesn't really move around that much.
How long is battery last?
Oh, I think 3 or 4 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Maybe a little longer. I'm not sure. I haven't flown this that much. More than trying to hover with the nose facing forward, because once it gets up, you won't even know what to do. But so it's pretty simple. This is forward and backwards. This is basically leans it.
Okay.
Your rudder is really important. You have to work your rudder to which is the tail.
Yeah.
It'll want to creep on you, but with what to do. Okay.
No, I'm just gonna go straight up and come right down.
You just slowly bring this one up. And then have your finger, that thing will take off. Just very slight movements. Okay, keep going up a little more throttle. Back up a little bit. Slide
Well,
in
I'm
and
scared
stop.
of...
It won't like send you to the hospital, but it may draw blood.
Well, I'm scared to crash it.
That's fine.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh.
Okay, just cut your throttle. It's pretty tough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta
See,
learn it.
The whole key is don't let it take off. I swear, all you do is you just learn to hover. Try to keep it in a little circle off the ground about that far.
Okay.
And once you master that, then you start trying to turn that nose around and learn the controls will be backwards when you flip around. And once you can do that, you can almost fly at that point. There you go. And then like you keep it like right there. Now start pushing forward on the stick when it's up in the air, and just kind of try to get it to stay. There you go. If it gets going too far, pull the stick back. There you go.
Oh, okay, okay.
Now you get it. See, there you go. As long as you keep that nose going that way, nothing switches on you. That was good. I'd have crashed it and broke it already. You're just on your first time.
That's improvement right
Yeah.
there. I'll let you fly mine, but I think I chipped the...
I don't want to break yours.
Nah, this is foam.
They are pretty tough. Our first plane. The plane started, see, I was in, sixth grade, but it was a foam plane with a .15 motor, which has a head on it about that big gas. Take that thing off. Either of us don't even know how to fly. The darn thing turns around and is coming back at me, and I jump out of the way and it hits a brick wall at school behind us. That was the start of all of it.
How did I start flying this? I actually got inspired by helicopters, and because I live by the hospital, and I'd see the helicopter land, planes flying all the time, and I'm like, I like planes. Let me see. I always look at it, how it lands, how it goes hecka slow. And then you know what? And then on YouTube, I saw a video. They made this one, I think. It's just simple. I'm like, let me try that.
So you made that off of YouTube?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah.
You got any interest in helicopters?
Yeah.
You can have this.
Nah.
Yep, take it.
No way.
It's yours. I'll put it right here. You got a car here to get stuff home?
Yeah.
No. There. I've just started you on your first helicopter.
Damn, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You'll get a lot more use out of it than I will.
Yeah.
And it's got the paperwork, and it's got some extra batteries. And if you do break it, you go online to that company, and they sell all them little
replacements.
Parts. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
I will.
That's what's nice about helicopters. You can fly them in a small area.
Mm-hmm.
You get a little time. I mean, I used to practice in my living room with it. Works better though if you're not on carpet. Something smooth so it'll slide. But yeah, remember, just get it to where it's weighted. If you get on a smooth surface where you don't have a bunch of wind, just get that baby where it's just sliding and work the controls, and you can get used to what it does. Because once you get that thing up in the air, if that snow starts going around, it's like ah! It's like, what do you do?
It's like you barely
Slam the throttle down, hope it don't break.
That's what I learned over the time. I used to leave the throttle just, it still be shaking in the fall.
Yeah.
Like, now I just cut that thing when I know I'm gonna crash.
Saves on things.
Yeah, it does.
Well, take it easy. Good
All
luck.
right. Thank you, Barry.
You're welcome.